Hey, do you want to learn how to fix LocalWP not starting or running on your PC or laptop? Let's get to it. So you can see that I've currently got this LocalWP app running on my PC. It's very simple. You just need to install the older version of LocalWP. In order to do it, you just go over here on localwp.com/releases, and on it, you can scroll down. I had local 9.2.7, then I uninstalled it and installed local 9.2.5. This is the current version that I'm on and it's working completely fine. To uninstall your older LocalWP installation, you can go here on Start menu, then search for Add or Remove Programs. Click on this first one. Then inside here, search for the app which is local, and there you go. You can now uninstall it from here. Just click here, follow the steps, and uninstall it. So you've done that, you need to go over here on this website and install for either Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. Then just click here. For me, I've got Windows, so I'm going to click here to install it. And then you need to install this. You've got this .exe file, just click on it to install it to your computer. Once done, you should be able to open it up and start building WordPress locally. So yeah, that's it. That's how to fix LocalWP not running or starting on your PC or laptop. I hope this helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more LocalWP related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.